Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we're going to be working on the electron configuration of phosphorus. So the first thing you have to do anytime you're given an electron configuration question is to determine the number of electrons in an atom. In this case, our atom is phosphorus, and whenever we want to determine the number of electrons, we just go straight to the periodic table and find out the atomic number of the atom. So in this case, the atomic number of phosphorus is 15. That is the same exact thing as the proton number. Hence, the number of electrons is going to be 15 electrons. So the next thing you do when you determine the number of electrons is that you're going to start to fill this energy diagram from the lowest, which is 1s, to whatever energy level or whatever orbital that the 15 electrons are filled up to. So, what I mean is that we're going to keep filling it, each one of them, until we've used up all of the electrons. So, to do this, we're going to start. So, to fill this up, we know that we have one, two. So we've got two electrons, mini 13, 3, 4. Then we have 5, 6, 7. And then we have 8, we have 9, we have 10. Now, one thing you need to know is this. Whenever you're filling in the um, electrons in a particular orbital, in this case P, where there are more than one orbital. So we have three orbitals here. We have the first one, we've got the second one, and we've got the third one. So you have to note that you're going to fill each one of the orbital first before you fill it the second time, because there's something called Hans rule where you need to make sure that there's no energy destabilization. So an electron would not fill into one orbital until each one of the orbitals have been filled up before you can pair electrons. Make sure you learn this. It's called Hans rule. So right now we've got 10 of the 15 electrons. So we're going to continue. So we have 11, we have 12, we have 13, 14, and then 15. So we end up with this being 1s, and then you have 2s. So it's not just 1s, it's 1s2 because we've got two electrons in this orbital. And then we have 2s2 because we've got two electrons in this orbital. Then we have 2p6 because we've got a total of 6 electrons in the three orbitals. And then we've got 3s2 because we've got two electrons. And then we have 3p3 because we've got three electrons. Hence, the electron configuration for phosphorus is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p3. One thing you have to do in order for you to make sure your answer is correct is to add up every single electron up top. It must all add up to 15. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So far the order is written properly, then you must make sure you count and see that the number of electron matches what we initially determined it to be, and which is 15. Hence our work is correct. I wish you guys all the very best. Before we go, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you put a thumbs up in the video, and make sure you put information in the comment section for whatever you want me to work on next. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.